guys, consider this an update video. So I'm not even going to waste your time or my time. I'm just here to give you a review on an experiment that I carried out just a few days ago. This video currently has the highest view on my channel. What did I do differently? Because every other thing that I did is what I usually do in my other videos. The only thing I did differently was to use this new method of uploading my videos. Now guys, have you watched this video? You are snoozing, guys. You are snoozing if you've not watched that video. Go and watch that video and try out that new upload. If you notice in that video, if you recall, in the video where I was trying to give a tutorial on how to make the new upload, you would notice that this video that is currently giving me views was the video that I used to experiment in that particular video. Now, if you recall in that video, I didn't say I have tried it, okay? I just recommended it because it only makes sense that renaming your video files with keywords that makes it easy for the YouTube algorithm to identify is the way to go, right? So I came and I said, it's recommended because your video will stand a high chance of getting views, increase in views if you use this method to upload, and it gives you the chance of the instant opportunity to add other features that can help your ends, like your tag, your end screen, your card, your end card, and all of that can help your video, give your video the chance to actually get more views. Okay, so I did not mention in that video that I have tried it. I just said I understood the concept, so I advise people to do it. And in that video, I was actually uploading this video that is giving me views now. Oh my god, oh my god. And then the only difference is that I had, they were all, the screen recording was done, let's say 24 hours before I uploaded that video, right? So yes, I'm just here to give you reviews, guys. The views in that video is still counting as I am speaking with you, and I've been sitting down and I've been watching. I was like, what did I do differently? The only thing I did differently was to changing the name of my video file and upload it the other way. Okay, this new way that has been trending, right? So guys, if you know you have not even tried, you've not jumped on it, please don't snooze. Wake up and go and start doing this right now. Hey god, like I'm so you guys don't even know. Now, because I was just experiencing, I was just exploring it. The other videos that I uploaded after that one, I didn't even bother to use the new method of upload, because I was like, let me just see how that one does. Okay, how that particular one that I tried does, and if it does well, then going forward, that is going to be my new method of upload. You guys don't sleep on this. I'm so excited. Like, oh my god, that's the highest. You don't even know, you don't understand. If you're coming from a place of 50 views, 100 views as your what am I saying? 100 views. I have never, if I'm being honest with you guys, 100 views has never come to me organically. In my past videos, if you see most of my videos, because I'm not always comfortable with my videos ending as 30 views, 60 views. So what I do is that the moment my views stop increasing at 50 or 30, I take my video link to WhatsApp and I put it there, and I even start sending it individually to my contacts. So please go and watch, because I want to get at least 100 views. Oh my god. And so most of the views that I get is from sharing my video links to WhatsApp. That's why I get up to 100 or 150, and then I rest. But if I was to leave it organically, sometimes I don't even get any view at all. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. Maybe 10 views, 15 views would be the lowest. So I always have to go and share it to family and friends or to WhatsApp stories, so that that's how I've been increasing my views, guys. It's not been the YouTube algorithm. So you guys don't understand, coming from a place of 50 views, 15 views, at least maybe barely 200 views, and getting to over my current video now, I'm talking about is over 1.4k views. Getting to that, you don't even know how. I'm a small channel, but oh my god, I'm so happy to be making this progress. So guys, as you guys know, I bring it to you as is hot. Okay, so I'm dropping this updates for you now. Go and try it if you've not tried it in your video. All right, wait, let me even show you guys the analytics. Just take a look at this analytics on the screen. Look at the title of this video. Look at the analytics. YouTube recommendation has 1.3k. Guys, that's like 90% of the views. Are you guys kidding me? Usually before, I will see from homepage, I'll see from other YouTube features, I'll see other, and then back then when I used to just send my video to, immediately I upload it, I just send the link to WhatsApp. you will see that how the analysis will be showing 100% WhatsApp, meaning that YouTube algorithm had no job at all to do there, because I decided to do it myself. Okay. Then recently I started to see YouTube. When I started to improve my channel, I started to see homepage, other features. But look at this one, guys. YouTube recommendation 1.3K. Are you still sleeping? Are you still snoozing on this? Wake up, okay? In fact, let me go and check. The last time I checked, my watch hours was okay. I need to go and even check my watch hours now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Now remember, guys, make sure that you rename your video file using keywords, trendy keywords. Make sure that you search for the highest trendy keywords in your niche to use it to rename your video files, and make sure that your thumbnails are good, top notch, your title are top notch. So don't go and try it and you didn't check up all of this list and then you come back and say it didn't work. Because you have to make sure that your game, you come out in your A game for this new upload, for this new experiment. All right. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.